A bit of a choppy trading session today, although it has to be said that for the better part of today's trading session, while we were choppy, we were playing around in a very narrow band, about 80 odd points actually from the highs to the lows of the day. So while we did climb up well above that 17,270 level in trade today, around 17,275 to be precise, we finally shut shop just a smidge under that 17,200 level on the Nifty futures. Similar was the price action across the broader end of the market as well, flickered in and out of the green to the red, finally settling marginally in favor of the declines with a count of 119 standing to the reds and 70 standing to the ups. What was holding out then in trade? It was pharma and autos which were really doing the trick today. On the flip side though, a couple of metal names, couple of banking names, they were the ones which were not quite supportive. So let's talk about the losers first. You had SBI which went home 1.7% lower. ITC, which was down about 1.5%. There was Tata Motors, Axis Bank, Techem, Tata Steel, Kotak Bank, Hindalco, which were all rank underperformers in today's trading session. Even within the broader end of the market, cement as a play was weak. So JK Cement, Dalmia Bharat, both these stocks were laggards, along with the sale which lost about 2.5% in trade. Adani Enterprises was a loser, as was the case with IRCTC as well, which went home with a loss of about 2%. On the flip side though, gains are many when it came to autos as well as pharmaceuticals. So Eicher Motors, the top draw on the index, 3.25% higher. Bajaj Auto, Sun Pharma, Divi's Labs, Dr. Reddy's, IndusInd Bank finally saw some green come in. Maruti, Titan, SBI Life, Hero MotoCorp and HCL Technologies along with Cipla were some of the rank gainers in today's trading session. Amidst the broader end of the market as well, the diagnostic theme clearly came to the fore with the spike up in the virus cases. So Lalpat Labs, for instance, that was a gainer about 2.5%. There was Lotus Labs, which held out 3.6%. And Idea, quite surprisingly, was the one which sprung up within the dying minutes of trade, saw a good breakout and finally went home a winner with about a 3.6% gain coming in for that stock. A lot of stocks which were in focus. Remember, the government issued guidelines for the textile PLI, and that kept some of the textile stocks in focus as well. This, of course, happened yesterday post-market hours, so the stocks saw reactions only today. Amara Raja Batteries, which is now looking to invest in batteries for EVs at a unit in Oslo in Norway. So that was another stock in focus today. And of course, you had the pharma and diagnostic names, like I said, which were also in focus. But come tomorrow, we'll have the last expiry for this particular series for this calendar year, in fact, 2021. So let's see how it shapes up, what sort of global cues we actually get from here. And we'll pick it up again tomorrow morning then for the markets.